Training frontline teams in industries like logistics, healthcare, and manufacturing isn't a one-size-fits-all task. Whether it's meeting compliance requirements, onboarding new employees, or building skills on the job, effective training tools are essential. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 employee training tools that help frontline teams stay productive, informed, and compliant. Number 1, learning management systems. At the core of many training programs is a learning management system. An LMS allows organizations to centralize their training resources, deliver courses online, and track employee progress. This is especially important for frontline teams who may not always work from a desk. Look for an LMS that's mobile-friendly and intuitive, so employees can access training materials wherever they are, whether that's on the production floor or between shifts. Number 2, Onboarding Solutions. Getting new hires up to speed quickly is critical in industries where turnover is high. Onboarding tools simplify the process by automating paperwork, organizing essential training, and ensuring employees know exactly what's expected of them. An effective onboarding system sets the tone for new hires, helping them feel confident and capable from day one. Number 3, Task Management Tools. Task management tools help bridge the gap between theory and practice. By assigning specific tasks related to training, managers can ensure employees are putting their skills to work immediately. This helps solidify learning while keeping day-to-day operations running smoothly. 4, Compliance and certification tracking. For industries with strict regulatory requirements, staying compliant can be a challenge. Compliance tracking tools automate reminders for certification renewals and keep detailed records of completed training. These tools help organizations avoid costly compliance issues and ensure that their workforce is always up to standard. 5, Internal communication platforms. Lastly, effective communication is key to a well-trained and engaged workforce. Internal communication tools allow managers to share updates, distribute new training materials, and keep everyone in the loop. Whether it's a shift change, a new safety protocol, or an upcoming training deadline, these tools help ensure no one misses crucial information. If you're looking for a way to implement these tools, iTacit offers solutions tailored to the unique needs of frontline teams. From training to task management, our platform is designed to help you build a more connected and capable workforce. Visit iTacit.com to learn more.